Why spend hundreds on a salon keratin treatment when you can make one at home? Today, I'll show you how to make a natural keratin treatment that helps leave your hair feeling smoother, shinier, and stronger. Now let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
For the first ingredient in our natural keratin treatment, here I have 1/3 cup of rice. I'm going to transfer it into a pan, wash it thoroughly, then add in 2 cups of cold water. Using rice for hair care delivers beneficial nutrients directly to the hair and scalp. Rice contains a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and carbohydrates that help nourish the hair while supporting stronger, healthier looking strands. Go ahead and give the mixture a good mix, then put it on the stove for it to come to a boil. Boiling the rice helps release many of these natural occurring nutrients into the water. As the rice cooks, the mixture becomes rich in starch along with the vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, creating an excellent base for this homemade hair treatment. Make sure to monitor the pot closely. Once the rice grains have become soft and the liquid has reduced without allowing it to completely dry out, remove the pan from the stove and let it cool. Once it has cooled, this is what it looks like. Leaving a small amount of the starchy water behind creates the perfect consistency for blending and helps produce a smoother, creamier treatment. Let's now prepare the second pan. I am now going to be using 1/3 cup of flax seeds along with 2 cups of cold water. Flax seeds is a well-known ingredient in natural hair care because it forms a nutrient-rich gel that helps condition the hair while supporting a healthier scalp. To make the gel, simply allow the flax seeds and water to come to a boil. And for the best workflow, always prepare the rice before making the flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel thickens very quickly as it cools. So preparing the rice first gives you much more flexibility to complete the remaining steps without the gel becoming too thick before you're ready to use it. After about 7 to 10 minutes of the mixture boiling, we can move on to the next step. Now let's grab the blender and transfer the cooled boiled rice directly into it. This is what the rice looks like in the blender, and now we're going to pour the freshly warm flaxseed mixture into a cheesecloth to separate the pure gel from the leftover seed particles. This simple step leaves you with a clean, silky, and smooth gel that is perfect for blending. This is all the leftover particles, and this is our perfect flaxseed gel. Combining the rice and flax seeds will create a super potent 100% natural keratin treatment that mimics salon-grade smoothing systems. Now pour the freshly strained flaxseed gel directly into the blender with the rice, and blend both ingredients together on high speed until they transform into a rich, smooth, and perfectly creamy mixture. Blending these two ingredients brings together the amino acids found in rice with the naturally slippery omega-3 rich flaxseed gel, creating an intensely nourishing treatment for the hair. Now let's blend. Now achieving a completely smooth, creamy texture is the secret to a flawless application. A perfectly blended cream allows the treatment to spread evenly throughout the hair, helping every single strand receive the nourishing ingredients without leaving behind messy clumps or uneven buildup. The result is a luxurious, highly concentrated, homemade protein moisture treatment with a beautiful, silky consistency. Now to elevate this formula even further, I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of aloe vera gel to the smooth mixture. Adding aloe vera transforms this blend into a deeply hydrating and nourishing treatment. I'm now going to be adding some essential oils, starting off with some vitamin E oil. After that, let's add in some castor oil. Then we're adding argan oil. Finally, add some jojoba oil to maintain the scalp's natural moisture and balance it without leaving behind a heavy, greasy feeling. Then mix it up. By this point, you'll notice the treatment is very thick, smooth, and creamy. Every ingredient is now working together to create a luxurious homemade treatment packed with proteins, moisture, and nourishing oils. Your 100% natural chemical-free keratin treatment is now complete. For the best results, apply this mask to clean, damp hair. Section your hair into manageable parts, then work this rich, creamy treatment throughout from your roots all the way down to your ends. Taking the time to apply evenly helps ensure that every strand receives the full benefit of the nourishing ingredients it holds. You can use your fingers or a wide-toothed comb to evenly distribute the mask. And once your hair is fully saturated, cover it with a shower cap to help trap your natural body heat with the treatment. Leave the treatment on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing your hair enough time to absorb the proteins, moisture, and nourishing oils. And when the process time is done, rinse your hair thoroughly using cool or lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water as it can strip away moisture and reduce the conditioning benefits of the treatment. If necessary, gently shampoo your hair to remove any remaining residue and then style your hair as you normally would. Apply this mask once a week to provide your hair with a regular balance of protein and moisture. Avoid using it more than once a week since excessive protein treatments may leave some hair types feeling stiff over time. With continued weekly use, you'll notice your hair becoming stronger, smoother, softer, and more healthier looking with naturally improved manageability and a more beautiful natural shine. And you can store any leftover treatment in an airtight container inside the refrigerator. Since this recipe is made entirely from natural ingredients and contains no preservatives, it has a maximum storage life of 10 to 15 days. After that, discard any remaining mixture and prepare a fresh batch for your next treatment. Using a freshly made mask helps ensure the ingredients remain at their best quality each time you apply it. And with that, I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. But before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, You can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. My second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!